Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat, Isko Moreno Ayan, nagsisimula na sa Maynila upang linisin ng Maynila, no? At ito ay ayon sa pag-usap kay Karen Davila ating mayor-elect na si Isko Moreno, ating bagong mayor, about the return. The city helped him plans for 2028 and political alliances. Ayan. Panoorin po natin guys. And
questions. Did Sara Duterte support you? Is this one of the reasons ganito kakataas? Did she endorse Isko Moreno? Ano ba nangyari?
Ano naman siya, nagpunta siya sa kampanya namin. The opposition went in our stage. The administration went in our stage. Everybody were welcome in the city of Manila. I'm just happy that Vice President Sara enjoy the crowd. Very warm ang reception. Wow, Karen, I'm telling you straight. It's really something else when they see Sara, Vice President Sara, in Manila. They're very happy. The people of Manila were very happy.
So, fearless prediction mo with the midterm results?
No, I'm not an analyst.
Ano mangyayari?
Ako, ang focus ko lang talaga is yung mamamayan ng lungsod ng Maynila. Now, having said that, may nanalong administrasyon na senator, may nanalong opposition na senator, and Manila is still part of their jurisdiction. If there is any help that I can ask from them, I will do so. If they're going to serve the city, they are most welcome. If President Bongbong Marcos will help the city, I'll accept it. If First Lady Lisa will continue to develop the riverside, we'll support it. So, it's all about the people of Manila. I'm just an instrument. Ano ko nandun lang ako sa pagitan. Now, if I can be a bridge to any parties, any group of people that will help the city of Manila, of course, why not? Because that's my primary goal. That's my primary obligation, to make Manila great again.
Yeah, parang kay Trump yun. The United States.
Make America because of we were very inspired with what Mayor Lacson and Mayor Villegas did in their time. That's my inspiration.
Pinag-aralan mo talaga.
Ay, talaga naman. Talaga naman. Ako, Diyos ko.
Okay, may phone-in question ka. Itong phone-in question ng taga Maynila.
Gusto ko yan.
Yan, crime-related. Rampant, Mayor Isko, yung mga umaakyat sa truck, even private vehicles to rob drivers sa Delpan.
Arpen, to be exact.
Ang dami mong phone-in question. Plans to stop that. Anong gagawin mo?
Good. Totoo yan, ha? Totoo yung nangyari yan. And it's been happening. Alam mo naman panahon ko, pinagkakalawit ko lahat yan. Simula sa kanto ng Saragosa hanggang doon sa boundary namin sa Nabotas, yung bridge na yun. Pinalawit ko, saka hinuyo ko talaga, kinulong ko yung dalawang area na yun. In fact, one of the policemen that I assigned to address that became a counselor because of that issue. Na alam ng mga taga-Tondo.
So nanalo yun. Nanalo siya dahil dun sa
Colonel June Ibay. He used to head the SMART or Special Mayor's Reaction Team. No? Yun yung ginawa ko siyang head. He became a counselor now. Because naalala nila, nung panahon namin, inubos namin lahat. Sabi mo, Karen naman, saan ka naman nakakita? Tanghaling tapat, kotse bubuksan, agawin yung bag. Saan ka naman nakakita?
Ganun sa Amerika ngayon.
Truck driver, naghahanap buhay lang, aakyatin, kukulatain para kunin lang yung cellphone. Wala nang gobyerno. You cannot tolerate that.
So what will you do now?
The same thing happened before. Kaya sabi ko, di ba, naalala mo sinabi ko, mga Tolonges,
ayan daw,
papalit na kayo ng
yung
address.
Bridge, yung Jones Bridge mo na inayos, kinukuha yung mga bakal. Diyos ko,
yung ganun,
yun.
Yung mga...
Paano yun?
Yan yung sinasabi ko, Karen. Pag walang nararamdang gobyerno, ang mga Tolonges, malakas ang loob. But if they see that there is government, walang matinong pag-iisip na Tolonges o kriminal ang gagawa ng isang masamang bagay sa isang syudad pag alam niya na kapag gumawa siya ng krimen, it's just a matter of time. It's either on the act, mahuli siya, or matter of time, we'll go after them. Kasi ang rule ko nun, okay, pag ginawa mo yung krimen dito, ang ikamamatay mo puyat.
Kaya mga Tolonges, no?
Because hindi ka makatulog na mahimbing. We'll go after you. And in fact, it happened so many times. Colonel June Ibay, the same guy, went to Palawan, Davao.
What about
sila pinagkukuha na.
Drugs in Manila?
No.
Lumaki ba?
No.
Tumaas?
Oo.
Anong plano mo?
Bago na kayong bisyo. Pakabait na kayo.
Yung police force ng Maynila, you will reignite them. Anong gagawin mo?
I think the policeman wanted to. It's just that they need inspiration.
Okay.
It's a leadership thing eh.
Okay.
Alam mo, pagka walang dibdib yung liderato, siyempre, mabuhay din yung approach. But if they know that you really wanted to keep things in order, ano yan they love doing their job.
Okay. Si Joaquin Dumagoso, ang anak mo, ay nanalong top counselor sa 1st District. So honestly, ito na ba ang Dumagoso political dynasty in the making?
To be honest with you, Karen, I did not allow it. Joaquin knows it. Diney knows it. It took them time to convince me na payagan siyang tumakbo. Para lang, alam din naman ng mga taga-Tondo.
Yeah.
Nung nagbabalak yan, and I said, sabi ko, anak, alam mo, bago ka magdesisyon, ikot ka muna.
Oo.
Kasi ang kaya kong ituro sa'yo, paano patakbuhin ng gobyerno. Pero ang hindi ko kayang ituro sa'yo, paano pag malasakitan tao. Not even your parents, not even your friends can teach you that. Because it is you.
Malasakit sa tao.
Ano yan ikaw yan But yung innate yan sa'yo, yung how the government works, how the government functions, offices, and so, madaling ituro yun. In fact, I'm very grateful to my teachers. My UPNC PAG and all other parts of the world and some mentors na ituro naman sa akin. So kaya ko rin ituro sa kanya. Pero hindi ko kaya ituro sa'yo, paano mo pagmamalasakitan ng tao. You go around Tondo so that you will know bakit ako umuwi ng madaling araw.
Okay. Wait, 9:01. Pero I have to ask 2 more questions.
Sure.
Wait lang to. We're so over time. Let's also give a shout out to Chi Atienza.
Oh, yeah. I'm
Pinili
very
mo
proud of
na
her.
vice mayor and she got, I mean, a lot of votes. I think it was 600,000
Yes.
even. Right?
Kasi dalawa lang sila.
Dalawa lang sila doon. So, why did you choose Chi Atienza? Was she in politics ever?
No.
Because Kim was
Alam mo,
in politics. but
in
not she.
fairness to her, I have to give it to her.
Oo.
She's supposed to be running for councilor.
Oo. Tapos in-offer mo vice.
Then Ali is supposed to be my partner.
Oo.
But Ali got a nomination, got a appointment
Okay.
in the national government. So when Mayor Lito Atienza is in the corner, tapos si Ma'am Beng Atienza is on my right side, I said, si China lang kaya ang kunin natin. She's bright, she's
So, yeah. Oo.
And she studied political science.
Okay.
She's from
Oo,
Lasal,
right,
graduated political science. And, sabi ko, she has also a brand.
Yeah.
And sabi niya, ikaw,
That's
ano decision mo?
overwhelming win.
And sabi ko, I'll take care of her.
Oo.
Sabi
Pero
ko,
ano
takot kasi sila dahil coming from zero yun
Oo.
And you're dealing with the numbers, no?
Yeah.
I mean,
And you have Yul Servo, to be fair, na dati ng vice mayor.
incumbent.
Oo,
And sabi ko, you have to give credit also to you, Mayor Lito Atienza. He's still a brand.
Okay. So, ang tanong ko last, anong i-assign mo kay Chi Atienza?
She's going to preside over the session, and one thing that hinihingi niya is to provide livelihood, which falls under MBN.
Yeah.
And I said, huwag kang mag-alala. Ako,
Okay.
ayun nga dati kong vice mayor, lagi ko sinama. Awa naman ng Diyos.
Magbabati ba kayo ni Hanila
Bakit
Cuna?
naman hindi? Wala naman ako sama ng loob sa kanila. Tapos ng eleksyon, nagdesisyon ng taong bayan.
Ang tanong,
Sinabi
makikipagbati ba siya sa'yo?
Hindi ko naman control yon, Karen.
Babatiin
Yung damdamin mo towards me, hindi ko kayang kontrolin. What I can control is my feelings towards you.
Yeah.
Because, alam mo, ang Diyos nga nagpapatawad Tao pa kaya? Who am I? Not to forgive and forget. So that we can move on past. If we really love our people, the best thing to do by two groups of people na nag-engage, compete among each other, is when the people decided already, we should come together and, together we can make Manila great again.
Okay, all right.
Yeah?
Wala ka ng last statement. Yun na yun.
Thank you. Shout out lang sa mga
Alright guys, napakinggan at napanood po natin Isko Moreno. Ito po ay nanalo na bilang mayor at kay Atienza sa vice mayor. At maraming salamat at tabayanan natin ng bagong Maynila na naman. Alright, peace out sa inyong lahat.